Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Ube Ensaymada Cupcakes. These Ube Ensaymada Cupcakes are the perfect treat for your afternoon tea, special gatherings, or just for your everyday merienda. The best thing is that they are super easy to make, so let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line your cupcake tin with cupcake liners and set this aside. In a large mixing bowl, add the 4 eggs and 400 grams of sugar. Mix this until everything is well combined by using a wire whisk. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl every now and then. Add the 250 milliliters of milk, 250 milliliters of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give this all a quick mix until everything just comes together. Sift in 380 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Continue to mix this until everything is well incorporated. Lastly, we can stir in 1 tablespoon of the Ube flavoring. This is how the cupcake mixture should look like. Scoop the cupcake mixture into the prepared cupcake liners. I'm using an ice cream scoop to do so, but you can also just use a piping bag, whatever works best for you. Bake your Ube cupcakes for about 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. My cupcakes are done baking. I baked mine for 18 minutes. Immediately transfer your cupcakes onto a cooling rack and let them cool down completely. We can now make our buttercream topping. In a medium mixing bowl, add the 115 grams of softened butter and 115 grams of sugar. Beat this on medium-high speed until everything is well combined. This is the consistency we are looking for. I'm now going to spread some of the buttercream on top of my cupcakes by using a small offset spatula, just like so. Finally, we can sprinkle some grated cheese on top of our cupcakes. I like my cupcakes with lots of cheese. So these are my delicious Ube Ensaymada cupcakes. Look how perfect they are. I love the soft cupcake together with a sweet cheesy topping. The vibrant purple looks so nice with a light colored cheese. What a beautiful treat. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!